The use of dental crowns is a standard dental procedure that many go through to improve the appearance and performance of their dental. No matter if you've recently received dental crowns or used them for a long time, it is essential to care for them in a way that will ensure they're durable and remain functional. The following video will give you some helpful tips for taking proper care of your dental crowns in order to ensure they are healthy and beautiful for a long time to come. 1. Regularly floss and brush. As with natural teeth, dental crowns need to be cleaned regularly and flossing in order to ensure they are fresh and free from plaque. Utilize a soft bristled toothbrush as well as non-abrasive toothpaste to clean your crowns at least 2 times each throughout the day. Pay particular concentration to the gum line that the crown and tooth meet in order to keep bacteria from growing and causing tooth decay. Flossing also helps take out any food particles that might get caught between the crown as well as the adjacent teeth. 2. Do not eat hard or sticky food. Dental crowns are strong and durable, but they could be affected by hard or sticky food items. Beware of eating soft candies, ice such as nuts, and tough foods that could create the crowns under pressure, which can cause them crack or break loose. The sticky foods such as caramel and chewing gum are also to be avoided because they may become stuck to your crown, which can pull it off the tooth. 3. Make sure you wear a mouthguard. If you grind teeth frequently at evening or take part in athletic or other activities, the mouthguard will help safeguard your crown's teeth from being damaged. Your teeth grinding can cause unnecessary pressure on your dental crowns, which causes their wear and tear to accelerate. The use of a mouthguard will help reduce the stress from grinding or other external forces when playing sports. It can also prevent damages to the crowns of your teeth. 4. See your dentist regularly. Checkups on your dental health are important for ensuring the good health of the dental crowns. Your dentist will examine your crowns for signs of degeneration or wear. They will deal with any possible issues prior to they develop into more serious issues. Regular cleanings can also aid in keeping your crowns looking good and help avoid dental decay or gum disease, which can impact the lifespan of your crowns. 5. Don't use your teeth for tools. There are many people who have the habit that involves using teeth to cut open packaging, tear off tape, or to bite their nails. This could be harmful to crowns for dentistry, as it may weaken the bond between the crown and tooth or cause it to fracture. Don't use your teeth as tools, and make use of the proper scissors or tools in order to protect the crown. 6. Clean your dental crowns properly. As well as regular cleaning and flossing, you need to scrub your crowns regularly to get rid of plaque or tartar. Use an antimicrobial mouthwash to clean your mouth and get rid of bacteria that could cause cavities. Additionally, you can employ a water flosser in order to remove hard-to-reach areas of the crowns of your teeth and keep them free of all debris. The bottom line is that taking good control of your dental crowns is vital to maintain their long-term durability as well as their functionality. With these suggestions and following good oral hygiene routines, you'll be able to keep your crowns looking good and comfortable for a long time to come. Be sure to visit your dentist frequently for checkups and cleanings in order to maintain that your crowns are in good condition as well as prevent any problems that might arise. The crowns on your teeth are a significant investment for the health of your mouth, which is why it's crucial to care for your crowns in a way that makes them last.